G'day all, I'm Graham Sanders and I live at Townsville, North Queensland. That's where latitude 19 crosses the east coast of Australia. I've been doing a series on the tetragonula Hocking's eye species, and I did one video on scenting. Here's a second with more examples. So here's another Hocking's eye hive, early morning, they're just getting stirred up. We're not worried about there, nope, we're worried about down here. Notice on that corner. And then slide across, notice the staining right across the bottom. And then notice this corner. And what do you see? Heaps of scent marks. So this hive, they have scented out the front. That's again as the same reason as before, to guide bees home and to tell other bees this is our hive. Now when they leave, they actually fly to a spot up here. See this stark tree? I've looked at that through a binoculars, and about 2/3 the way up they've scented that area as well. And that tree is like a focal point. It's a visual focal point for the bees to come in, but they've also scented it. So the bees go from the hive, zip over here, up to there, and then they orientate and go from there. Now you may ask that dumb question. Why the hell would a bee want to mark his territory like that if all it does is attract fighting swarms and colonising swarms? Well, Hocking's eye bees are quite aggressive. In fact, probably the more aggressive of the species. And Hocking's eye bees are basically proud and loud. They will mark their territory and basically say, here we are a strong hive. If you want to take us on, because we think we can defend ourselves. So you can see there, they're not scared to mark their territory. Well, not mark their territory, that's the wrong word. They're not scared to scent up an area so they can guide their bees to and from the hive. Definitely not scared to do it. I'll give you other examples, this time in pictures. Here is a job I did a while ago. You can see the entrance at the base of those aerated or perforated blocks, but look at the block face. You see at the top corner to the right, a scent mark. To the left, at the joint, more marks. Let's take a closer look. There's the entrance, but look at that, right on the corner there at the face. That is scenting. Hocking's eyes are quite proud and loud about their scenting. Native bees do scent, or at least Hocking's eyes do, and this is just further evidence of it.